Today I'm getting strawberries ready to grow in the hydroponic system. You need to make sure that the sand is all washed off of them, otherwise it will clog the system up. These are all being Everbearing strawberries. I like to clip the bottoms off so that it makes it easy to get them into the pot because the holes in the pot are so small. Get all the roots together and push it through the bottom hole of the pot. Pull your roots through the bottom. I like to take well-soaked Rockwell cubes, the big ones, and cut them into 4 pieces. Wrap the roots with the Rockwell pieces. Make sure not to wrap the crown of the strawberry, otherwise that will rot. Cut roots to 2 inches. This is new to me. Last year I did lettuce in this system. So this year I'm doing strawberries and lettuce. If anybody has any suggestions, please let me know.